Hey guys, this is Dr. Fastlane, and look what I got for you today. This is a Scuderia Ferrari set for the watch. Now what that means is, let me show you up close first. If you look here, you see different flags up here, right? Why? Because there are 21 flags for 21 countries, and that's where the Formula One is held. It started the first race in 1950 in Great Britain at a Silverstone circuit, and since then it happens often. And there are countries, the flags are, like you could see, the Australia, Malaysia, Bahrain, China, South Korea, Spain, Monaco, Canada, Austria, Great Britain, Germany, Hungary, Belgium, Italy, Singapore, Russia, Japan, UAE, Abu Dhabi, USA, Mexico, and Brazil. Now, here is the fun part. If you look at this, so since I have a, I don't know if you guys know, I have a Ferrari 458 Italia, and I bought that in 2014. It's a 2011 model, and I love every bit of it. A marvel of engineering, speed, and style, and it sounds brutal. Beautiful car. If you haven't watched my video on the YouTube yet, go watch it on the Dr. Fastlane channel. Now look here. This is how, tada, it opens. So let's remove the shell, and then what you see inside, look at this. That's the watch. Now the fun part about this watch, you can see it up close, and this plastic on top of it. So I bought it like, probably it's a limited edition. If you see here on the acrylic board, limited edition up here, and there's a Ferrari logo, and then the watch says Scuderia Ferrari on it. That's the dial. There's a plastic cover on it. I don't want to take it off. That's why probably you will see some glare. There's a Ferrari logo. Obviously it's brand new, so I've not even removed the tag from there. You can see up close. Great. Now this watch, cool thing about that is, let me just take it off. So you put it on your hand, on the wrist, and this one does not come off, but this one comes off. So now, say if you are in Dubai to see the Grand Prix, then you can, or USA. So what you can do is, look here guys, this is a flag for USA. You remove this flag, you see, and you can literally replace it up here. So basically you can customize your watch with all the country flags, the 21 of those that participate in a Grand Prix racing, Formula One. Now, why is it called Formula One? Because Formula One, the word formula means that they have to follow the specific rules and regulations, and there's a long list of that. And that's what makes this race so unique. So same thing, every single flag can be removed and replaced on the watch, the whole half of the strap. Isn't it cool, guys? So if you have not watched my video on the YouTube Dr. Fastlane channel for the Ferrari 458 Italia, go watch it. You will love it. I'll stay in touch again very soon, so stay tuned. Take care. Love you guys.